I am proud to call my partner, is John Berkelhammer. John has tried numerous complex cases throughout his career. A lot of them have been product liability cases. Others have been different subject matter, but they have been demanding, challenging. He's tried cases in North Carolina, in state court, federal court. He's tried cases all over the country. Most recently, just about a month ago, where he tried a very challenging case in New Mexico in a jurisdiction that is affectionately called a hellhole jurisdiction, and was able to achieve a defense verdict. We've been commiserating about how after a certain number of years of practice, it becomes a little bit harder to bounce back and recover from those multi-week out-of-state trials, but he has done so, has plenty of trials ahead of him on the docket. For those of you who don't know John's background briefly, he obtained his undergraduate degree from UNC Greensboro, his law degree from UNC Chapel Hill. He completed a judicial clerkship with federal judge Frank Dupree. He started private practice at what was then the Smith Moore firm and several successor iterations of that firm. And then we were very pleased to have him join Ellis & Winters a number of years ago. He's achieved many accomplishments and had many honors and awards throughout his career, but I did want to single out one accomplishment that John has achieved, which is that he served as a past president of this organization from 2013 to 2014. John possesses those characteristics that make one an elite trial lawyer. The first one is that he works incredibly hard. And if you want to find John on a Saturday morning, you'll find him in his office at Ellis & Winters, maybe even wearing a coat and tie. Although he works incredibly hard, he's also very generous with his time. With younger lawyers who have questions, or even his partners and peers, his door is always open. You can give him a call. You can talk through thorny legal issues, complicated ethical questions, and he's always generous and happy to help. In addition to being a hard worker, he possesses other traits of premier trial lawyers. Number one being that he will know the facts and the law of the case better than anybody else, better than opposing counsel, better than other team members, better than the court, even by the time of trial. He is committed to achieving the result that the client desires. He is courageous, and he gets results. His clients love him and trust him with their most difficult challenges. And he will be relieved to know that I'm going to stop now and save the roast part of this for private conversation. I can't think of anyone more deserving of the award than John, and I would ask you to welcome John up to receive his award. Congratulations.
Oh, wow. Who wrote that?
Yeah.
Gary?
Regale
with
yeah.
a war story. Thank you so much, Gary, Leslie, the committee. I'm old enough to say that Sally Field said you love me, right? Isn't that what she said when she got her academy? This group has so many great trial lawyers that really it's an honor and humbling to get this type of award. I had no idea that I was supposed to say something, so I appreciate Gary putting me on the spot like that, but I guess that happens in courtrooms everywhere across the country, and certainly in North Carolina. I really don't have a whole lot to offer, quite frankly. The one thing I would say is look around you, pick up all of your traits from all the great lawyers in this room, because there are tons of great lawyers in this room. And you'll just do great, because this is a great organization. They have some of the finest trial lawyers in the country in this room. And I'm just really proud to be a part of it. So thank you very much.
Okay. Also, I have to say this about John. I called him and asked him to call me back. I got a call back about an hour and a half later. And John says, what can I do for you? Said, I'm in New Mexico. I'm getting ready to give a closing argument right now in the next few minutes. And I had to suppress years ago.